This video tutorial is for how to use funding realty syndication software. We shall cover topics like how an angel partner can showcase his property for syndicating capital, how an investor can open an account and invest in a particular project, and how to mask your information from being seen by other investors. So first things first, you have to log into the software. The user needs to have a registered email ID to sign into the software. After logging into the software, the user will be redirected to the dashboard where she'll be able to see the projects for investment and the summary of the projects that they have added, completed, or invited their subscribers to invest in. How to create a project to get funds. In the first step, we'll start with how to create a project to get funds. For adding a project, you have to click on the Add Project button. This will redirect you to the project information form to fill out. Let's say you choose to add the demo project as a project name, and added project images or visionary pitch for your project. Next, there is a menu project type with the drop-down. You have chosen Buy Fix Sell, and in the project group, we have chosen Public Project, and fix the deadline to join the project. After all that, you need to add the complete address with the zip code and click on Next. After property details form will be shown, and you have to fill in all your details related to your property size and condition of the property, and have to add notes for your investors. Then click on Next. The next form will be shown as Value Analysis, where you have to fill in fund details and fill in the detailed amount of our property. After filling complete value analysis form, you'll have to click on the Submit button. After clicking on the Submit button, it shows that project added successfully. On your projects page, you'll see that our project status is under review. You'll have to wait for approval by the admin. You can view the project here. These are the details of the project that you have created, that is, property details, cost and pricing, and property location. After going back to your projects page, you can see that your projects have been approved by the admin. If you need to edit your project details, then you have to click on the Edit Projects button and edit what is required to edit in the form. If you want to know who your project investors are, then you can see it here. Approved by the. Want to change your project status to complete or cancel that, then click Update Project Status and choose to cancel or complete and enter the description and click on Submit. But here you are not changing your project status. How an investor can invest in a particular project. In the first step, you have to go to the Projects tab, where you'll be able to see all the projects that are already added by other project owners. If you click on any Project See Details button, then you'll be redirected to the Property Info, where you can see all the details about the property where you want to invest. To join the project, you have to click on Join Project. After clicking, there is a pop-up show Add Bank Details before Join the Project. A form will be shown to you to fill in your bank details to it and click on Save. Here shows bank info successfully updated. Now, you have to click again on Projects and choose the project in which you want to invest. Click on Join Project. Next, you'll be redirected to the Investor Information form. This form will start with the introduction about joining a project. Then you have to click on Next. On the next form, you have to add your investment amount as per your call, but the minimum amount is $500 to invest. The project owner can decide what would be the minimum and what slabs would be. In this demo project case, we have taken a minimum of $5,000 and the slabs are $500 each. Let's say you've entered $12,500 and go Next. On the next form, you have to fill in your personal information to go further and click on Next. In the next form, you have to choose the document type, enter your personal financial document number, and upload the file of the document. Click Next. Now, you have to fill out the accreditation form. All the details such as your income in dollars that are required here. Let's say you don't want to disclose the information about your income, so you can click on Prefer Not to be disclosed and verify. Click Next. After filling out all the required details in all the forms, now you will be able to see an agreement related to your fund's investment. You can download it from here. Go further, check the box, and agree to all the terms and conditions that are in the agreement. Click Submit. After clicking on Submit, There is a pop-up show invested successfully and you've been redirected to the page confirmation information where you can see that you've successfully joined the project and the information that you've filled in the form. And also, you can print all the information as well by clicking on Print here. Now, you have to click on OK. The next page will be the dashboard where you can see that your invested amount is pending and under review. View your project investment details here and refresh it and you can see that your fund status is approved. Some options shown here. You can cancel your investment by entering the reason for the cancellation and accepting the terms and conditions and proceed to cancellation. For now, you are not canceling the project. You can invite your subscribers from here by entering the details of your subscribers and asking them to join and invest in the project from here and send invites. After that, a pop-up show on the screen that invited successfully. You can see your invites for projects here. For more information about the property that you have invited your subscribers to, you can view it by clicking here. If you need an invoice for the project where you have been invested, then you have to go to your projects and click on View. There is an option Invoice in the right corner. Click on Invoice. Now, you'll be able to see your project invoice and you can also print it from here. You can communicate with other project owners through the chat option. Click on the communication button here and choose a project owner to communicate with. When your project is completed, you can see it in your projects here on completed investment and also get the invoice of it. How to mask your information from being seen by other investors. If you want to mask your identity from other investors, then you have to go to your profile, then click on Edit. You can see here there are options to fill your mask information that you want to show your investors. You have to fill out all your mask identity and save it. Now you'll be able to see that your profile has been updated with your mask information. At last, on the dashboard, you can see all your information related to your projects that are completed or you invited your subscribers to join for projects. In the next video, we shall describe the operations handling and documentation process for smooth transactions.